If you want to purchase components to create an assembly, the Purchase Order from Assembly feature in Tidy makes it easy to ensure you order all of the material items required. In this module, learn how to create and receive purchase orders from an assembly. Please note that this is only available under certain plans. Contact us if you would like to have this feature. Go to your Sales and Purchases tab and select Purchase Order. From here, click on New PO from Assembly. Select the assembly you want to create a purchase order for, then click Generate Purchase Orders. As seen here, 2 purchase orders have been automatically generated. There are 2 separate orders because the items in the assembly came from 2 different suppliers. Similarly to a regular purchase order, you can view and change the status of these orders by clicking on the binoculars. Click on the orange draft button to change the order status. Now, if you go back to your purchase order list, you can see that this order has now been sent. Follow the same process for the other purchase order from this assembly. To receive the purchase orders from this assembly, follow the same process as receiving a regular purchase order. Click on the orange truck icon for both orders and confirm the stock has been received. These material items can now be used to assemble the heavy-duty gas cylinder trolley.